Looking to take your audio to the next level? Let's explore the differences between the Shunyata Research Theta and Gamma XLR interconnect cables. The Theta series boasts cutting-edge technology, including continuous cast copper for unparalleled signal resolution. It features a kinetic phase inversion process that conditions metals at a molecular level, reducing burn-in time and enhancing sound quality. With VTX and VTX-AG conductors, the Theta cable delivers explosive dynamics and pitch-perfect frequency extension, creating an immersive listening experience. On the other hand, the Gamma series uses single crystal continuous cast copper, typically found in more expensive cables. It also undergoes the kinetic phase inversion process for improved performance. Elevate your sound today with the Shunyata Research interconnect cables. Check out our website to find out more.